Doing things a little bit different on my channel. When I first started my channel, I really wanted it to be showcased around beauty and fashion, and I still really want that because that's who I am at the core of me. I love beauty, I love fashion, I love makeup, but I also want to incorporate my life. So this is going to be my first get ready with me / vlog / story time. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I went on a really cool Galentine's weekend getaway this past week with my really good friend Nora, and we went and visited the great city of Amarillo and just had like a really good girls weekend. So I'm going to be doing this Valentine's look for you guys while also showing you footage from the trip and just telling you how the trip went. Thank you to Visit Amarillo for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy this style because I really think I'm going to. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoy. Cody just got home, so if you hear some rummaging, it's just him making lunch. So I got packed and ready to go, and for those of you who don't know, I live in a small city outside of Amarillo, so Amarillo is like my go-to if I want to kind of just have any kind of fun. You go to Amarillo. I'm from a really small town where the only thing we have is a Walmart, and that's pretty much about it. So that being said, I packed up and I got ready to just spend just a few days away by myself with a really good friend of mine. First thing we did was get some facials, which was nice because I took off early in the morning, and not having to worry about putting on makeup or anything like that first thing in the morning was really nice. And I just want y'all to look at my skin. My pores are almost non-existent, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I got a detoxifying facial at Awaken Med Spa in Amarillo. If you're in the Amarillo area or you're traveling to the Amarillo area and you really want to have just like a really good relaxing time, they do facials, they do massages, they do all kinds of things there. But my pores, I really just want to like cleanse out my face.
If you feel like you want like a deep clean out, we could do a different facial called the detox. That's like considered like a deep pore clean out. We do a lot of extractions in that one. But either one, I mean, you would love. Okay. What I might do is lean you back, get a closer look, get the cleansing going, and then give you an idea of what would be better maybe.
Okay.
Does that sound okay?
That sounds great. Ever since I got that facial, my makeup has just been laying so incredibly well. Like it looks almost flawless. That is what I did. Alyssa is the one who did my facial, and she was just the sweetest person. She was so nice, great conversation, and she was very informative because I love to know and learn about the skin, obviously, because I'm kind of in the makeup world, and anything that can help my skin, I am all for. Okay, so I just finished my facial. I didn't get a whole lot of footage in there. I think Jackie did, but look how glowing my skin is. It feels amazing. I got a detoxifying facial with Alyssa, and she just did amazing. I just feel like my skin is just glowing and fresh. I'm so excited. Nora is still getting a facial, so I'm gonna show y'all around, but this is the little waiting area. It's very beautiful, very calm. They have a great environment. After we went and got facials, we went and grabbed some brunch at Metropolitan. It's seriously just like kind of right across the street, so it wasn't far. It was really nice. And on top of them having just amazing food, like really, really good food, the one thing I was just so impressed with was their staff. Their staff was just so incredibly nice. As soon as we walked in the door, the hostess was like, "Hey, I saw y'all out there. I'm so glad y'all came in." Like, it was so nice. Like, she treated us like she had known us forever, and I love that. I love just how nice people are in Texas in general, but just walking into an establishment that you're gonna pay, you know, some pretty good money on for whatever services they have, for them to be nice and just have good customer service, that just speaks volumes for a business. The place itself was just absolutely beautiful. Like, I've never been in there, but it's just, it's a really cool vibe, and they have different rooms as well. So they have like a sitting area where it's kind of like your usual restaurant with the bar. And then they kind of have a lounge area in the back, which I thought was just so nice. If you ever wanted to have like a birthday party or bachelorette get together or anything kind of like that, that would be the perfect spot. That would be the spot that I would go to for sure. So we ordered a pancake board. I was just really intrigued as soon as I saw it. So it came with, I don't know, like 6 or 8 pancakes. And then it came with all the toppings and syrup, like Nutella, pecans, fruit. It was really good. And then we also ordered the yogurt parfait, which is really good. If you're a Greek yogurt person, it was Greek yogurt. Their bacon, chef's kiss. It was delicious. We just finished with our facials. We're at Metro. This is our Nora.
Hi y'all, it's our Nora.
I've never been here. It's so incredibly cute. And right off the bat, everyone that works here is so incredibly nice. But we're gonna have some brunch and then we're gonna go shopping. It's gonna be a good day. Yes. So after we ate brunch, we went and popped into Apricot Lane, which is literally kind of like right across the street. So all of this is kind of in the same vicinity. It's really nice. So if you want to have a girls' day, you can literally have a girls' day just in like the town square area alone, because there's just so much to choose from. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So we went shopping and we popped into Apricot Lane. Amarillo definitely isn't lacking in the shopping and boutique area. There's so many cute places to shop that are local and that are just really cute boutiques that you're gonna find stuff that you're not really gonna find like at your usual Forever 21 and stuff like that. So if you follow my Insta, just know I always post on my stories all the different boutiques and what they have. It's one of my favorite things to do. I went into Apricot Lane and I actually bought this rope necklace right here. It comes with two. It's what I'm wearing right now. Yeah, this one. I didn't have a gold chain that was this style or texture, so when I saw this, I grabbed it. One of my favorite necklaces that I have is from Apricot Lane and I've had it for years, so I really trust their jewelry. It lasts a long time and it's just really cute and trendy. Next spot we hit was Six Collective. Is a really cool spot in Amarillo. It's kind of in between Amarillo and Bushland, and it has so many different vendors in there, so it's not just one store. You're gonna get multiple vendors, which I love. Ranging from jewelry to furniture to home decor, all of that stuff. They had some really cute home decor. And I kind of went around and showed you guys some of my favorite things. So I will show you guys here, but I absolutely love Six Collective. I honestly always forget to pop in there because it is kind of a little bit out of the way for me, but it's definitely worth the drive, definitely worth a pop in. That is actually where I got this tennis necklace right here. It's from the boutique Hollow and Dot. Hollow and Dot is a really cool business here in Amarillo that does the welded bracelets, and they do a really good job, and they just have really good feedback. I've heard really good things from them, so I picked up this Hollow and Dot necklace, and then I also picked up this Capricorn necklace. I've been wanting a necklace that says my zodiac sign for a while, and that was honestly one of the first things I saw when I walked in, so I was like, I'm getting you. You know what I mean? So after we hit Six, we went into Dotsys Boutique. Dotsys Boutique, if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know that I go in there a lot. Dotsys is one of my favorite boutiques. And they had a great Valentine's collection. I will say, out of all the places I stopped, their Valentine's collection was just like top notch. So I did a little try on haul on my Instagram stories that day at Dotsys, but I did take some pictures. This is some of the stuff I tried on. Absolutely loved everything in there. Honestly, I could spend hours in there just trying everything on. I used to have a discount code with them. I'm going to talk to them, see if it's still active. If I do, I will leave it down below for you guys. An online presence, so if you're not from the area and you still want to shop Dotsys, I will definitely leave all the information down below. I did pick up this really cute pink sweater from Dotsys. I love this. I feel like this is just perfect for Valentine's if you're going to have like a Valentine's brunch. So cute. How much did I pay for this? This was $38 and I got a size large. And then I also picked up this faux leather pink skirt from Dotsys. Love it. I love the leather on this. It's super soft, it's super flexible, and it's really comfortable. And then it has like the two slits on it. I did actually end up wearing this that night, so that was really nice. I kind of already had my outfit, and I paired it with this top that I got from Apricot. We did totally get our nails done. I forgot to add that in there. We actually got our nails done after Metro because it's literally just like the med spa, Editng, Apricot, and then right next to Apricot is Paint. So I'm telling you, just in Town Square alone, you can have just like a day to yourself. So we did go get our nails done. These are my nails. I love them. This color is called Pop the Champagne for anyone who's wondering and they want to go get it. It is from Paint Nail Bar. Paint Nail Bar is everywhere. They're not just in Amarillo. Pop the Champagne, loved it. I love the experience. I always have great experiences when I go into the paint. The girls are just so nice. So after a long day of shopping, we finally went back to our hotel. We stayed at the Barfield. The Barfield is just an incredible hotel downtown, and it's so beautiful. They have an amazing restaurant in there as well, and then they also have a speakeasy that is just like all the vibes. So if you just want like a super chill, really cool night out, the Barfield speakeasy is amazing. And then they also have their rooftop bar as well. I loved the rooms, and I just really love the location of Barfield in general. It's just a really, really good hotel. Being able to get ready at the Barfield was really nice. They just have some really nice robes. We totally threw those on. We threw on some music. Their bathroom is just like the perfect bathroom to get ready in. Their lighting was great. And I just appreciate stuff like that when it comes to hotels, because sometimes you can go to hotels and like you can't see anything when you're trying to get ready, and that is not the case with Barfield. It's very nice. Woo! So after we got ready, we got all did. I was wearing my outfit from Apricot and Dotsys. We headed on out to OHMS. It's a really nice restaurant that's literally just kind of behind Barfield. So if you wanted to walk from it, you can, and that's exactly what we did. We just walked on over to OHMS. Their main area was full, which kind of says a lot. That means that a lot of people love that place and eat there. I totally understand because their food was amazing. We ended up sitting at the bar, and I'm gonna tell you, this is the one place that I really don't have a lot of footage on, but it's because we ended up meeting some amazing women that were sitting at the bar, and they were just such good company. Like, we ended up talking almost all night, and it was great. That's what Amarillo is about. It's just meeting some amazing people, sitting at a bar and having a Chilton. And fun fact, if you're from the Amarillo area, you probably are very familiar with the Chilton, but the Chilton was actually made in Lubbock. So it's definitely a panhandle drink. So when I say sitting at a bar, drinking a Chilton, just talking to women you just met, that doesn't get more Texas and Amarillo than that. Like, it was just so nice. Seriously, one of the best times of the night. So we got up the next morning, and this is where it kind of turns into a different vibe, okay? So we did go horseback riding with the Cowgirls and Cowboys of the West. I will leave their Instagram down below. It was so much fun. And let me tell you something, okay? Let's get real for a second. I am terrified of horses. I don't know what it is about a horse, but just something about a really large animal that you ride and that can really feel your anxiety and your emotions freaks me out, okay? It just freaks me out. It was a great time. I eventually got the hang of it, of how to like kind of steer the horse and just be on the horse in general. Like, I'm telling you, I've never been on a horse. In fact, this past Thanksgiving, we went and saw my husband's family, and they had like a smaller horse, and they were like, "Get on, Megan." And I was like, no, you can't pay me. But I totally got on a horse this time, and it was a big one. It was like a regular sized horse, and it was insane, and it was really cool. The canyon itself is really beautiful, and it was a really good ride. I'm so happy that I was with the people that I was with. They were very patient, and I think everyone could tell that I was a little freaked out. So if you want to go horseback riding, this is something you can do with your girlfriends. This is something you can do with your friends or even your family. We were with a family who was actually traveling from Alaska, and they had their little girl with them as well. So it's definitely fun for anybody and everybody, and it was a really great time. And this is coming from someone, like I said, who is terrified of horses, okay? Terrified. Not anymore. Not so much anymore, though. Not so much anymore. So after we went and rode horses, we went and did our last thing, which was some glass blowing. I still need to pick mine up. In fact, I wish I had them. By the time I'm uploading this video, if I have footage of what I actually created, I will be posting it in there. But I ended up making a flower, and then I also made a paper heart weight. This was so much fun. Like, this activity in general was just so much fun. Anything that's creative, I am all for. And then the fact that we were playing with glass, like, there was just so much of me that just wanted to like touch it. I wanted to touch it like so bad. It was fun, and like I said, I got to create something that I got to make home. So if you are looking for a really cool Galentine's night for yourself and you are in the Amarillo area, they will be having a Galentine's event. I will post all the details down below, and I will be posting it on my Instagram as well. This was really fun, and it was a great way to just end the whole weekend. This weekend was definitely fast and furious, but it was so much fun. I got away for a little bit, and there were so many cool activities. Like, you want to get your girls together, you want to get your boo, you want to get your friends, you want to get your family. This doesn't have to be for Valentine's. It could be for any time, and I really just wanted to showcase just a few amazing cool things to do in Amarillo. Amarillo really is my city. It's kind of where I grew up. I knew I grew up outside of it, but like I said, we travel to Amarillo for anything and everything, so it really is just kind of like my backyard. Again, thank you to Visit Amarillo for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys liked this style of video. It was different, but honestly, I kind of liked it. It was a nice break from just seeing my head the entire footage to kind of seeing a whole vlog and just a little bit of story time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and have a beautiful day. Bye.